Hi, my name is Harrison and I tutor in the CIS Sandbox. We offer free technology tutoring services to students. In this set of tutorial videos, I'm going to go through a virtual version of what we call Jumpstart sessions in order to prepare you for technology at Bentley. In this video, we're going to go through your Bentley account to download Zoom to your computer so you can host conferences with Zoom and join them. So to start, just open up your browser and type bentley.zoom.us. You're going to click sign in and sign in with your Bentley credentials. And then get through Duo. Now you should be in the Zoom homepage on your desktop. And to download Zoom, you're just going to start hosting a meeting. So go over to host a meeting in the top right next to your profile and click any of the options. You should see your File Explorer pop up to save the Zoom installer. If not, click Download and Run Zoom in the browser. Once you save the installer, you should see a pop-up in the bottom left of your browser. Click the up arrow or Options and click Open. And the installer should pop up. It should say Installing Zoom. Wait for it to load. Now it'll open into the meeting that you just started, so just click join and then end it. Now sign in. Sign in with an SSO. Type Bentley for the company domain. You may be directed to sign in with your Bentley credentials again. If not, just click Open Zoom Meetings in the dialog box or launch Zoom in your browser. And you should be good to go. If you check up in the top right, you'll see your little profile, and it should say a Bentley EDU email under it. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Be sure to follow us on social media, and at some point come check us out behind the trading room on the second floor of Smith.